Today is the momentous, often imitated but never replicated Wayne Office Chili Cook-Off. This was our third competition overall. It started sometime in 2017 and we've made an effort to do at least one a year. So the best part is that the entire office is into it, and that's regardless of whether they have a horse in the race or if they'll be one of the people sampling the different blends and casting votes. Today's recipe was one that I tried before and came up short, but when I listened to people, I made some tweaks based on my coworkers' palates and what hit the spot for them. So the level of enthusiasm and excitement just continues to go up, and this is partly due to the fact that our office is loaded with culinary talent. It did not take long to realize that. I think we would all agree that we gladly accept an invitation to go have dinner over many of our coworkers' homes. So of all of our employee engagement activities, I think the Wayne Office Chili Cook-Off holds down its own elite class. Already looking forward to the next one.
Mr. Seisel,
Oh.
can I have your autograph?
Chili Cook-Off.